Welcome back. I'm gonna do 3 quick ones because I completely forgot about these 3. I'm doing 3 videos back to back because of different reasons. But here we're doing, ooh, okay, this looks really good. I didn't know how this was gonna come out, but I like it. Yeah, throwing this in the bag, that's ready to go. I really love this. I gotta remember how I did this. This looks so good. Okay, that's that. This one here. Ooh, yeah. Love it, love it. All right, that's the sound of me literally throwing things in the bag. And this was just a plain tray. I'm trying to decide if I want to do anything. See, and I put it in the heat. This looks so plain. It has a little lip. You can't really, whatever. I'm just gonna put it there and see what comes of it. Actually, I can do, how many things? There's 4 in there and that. All right, I'm gonna do these 2 with this then. I was supposed to just do 3, but I'll just do these with it because we got the, please don't grieve me, please. What time is it? I'm about to be late. Is it 1 o'clock yet? Oh, it's 1 o'clock on the dot. 1 o'clock on the dot. I'm not in a drop top cruising the street. Even though I'm supposed to be. Guys, help. Oh my gosh. I don't want to scrape up my finger. I need my fingers. Okay, let me try and see if this one's easier to come out. Yep, because it has a lip. So I can pull that back, pull that back. I need to go put on my fingernails before I leave the house. I'm just experimenting to see how these do. It's a little Palo stand. Yeah, love it. And come on, can we please get it together? I cannot sing. I don't know why I just did that to y'all. I need to get out of here. Please, please, please. All right. Please don't tear. Ooh, I'm hot. All right, perfect. Them popsicle sticks is real fragile. Wait, is this gonna be? This one, I cleaned this off before I did it. This is supposed to be clear, but it looks frosted. And why is it so hard to come out of the mold? Like, this looks crazy. Did it take the mold with it? Like, I don't hate it. This wasn't the intention. It's supposed to look more, especially since it came from the same batch. So it's definitely a mold issue. It's supposed to look more like this, and this looks, you see the difference, right? Like, I'm not tripping. Huh. It doesn't feel sticky, so I guess that's all that matters. But the back looks shinier. I don't know. Whatever. So, yeah. Cute little display. All right. And then I got a couple more things I'm going to do another video. Whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching. Oh, wait, no. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless with 3 S's. And whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.